This is Cyndy G with my Scrap Chick, and in this video we are assembling the lamb Easter basket. So I am going to start by folding everything on the score lines. And the other thing I'm going to do is curve the side a little bit. Okay. I'll put my first panel piece on. The white piece is the back. And you just want to allow for a small border all the way around. Then we're going to take this piece, I'm going to put some glue around the eyes and the nose, and then on this piece just around on the edge. That way I shouldn't get glue that goes into where I don't want it. Okay. And then we're going to glue this piece. Here on the front, and again, leave space for a border all the way around. And then this piece is just going to glue right in here. I didn't want to put it where it is hanging over. So. And I still did a little bit. Okay, so now we've got the panels for the sides, and we've got two of the pieces are the same size. The one that's a little bit longer is for the bottom. And I'm just curving these before I put them on, just to make it easier for me to work with the sides. And I'm going to put this one on the inside. Okay, so what we're going to do is put some glue on these tabs. And we are going to work this around. So with my middle finger, I'm holding the top tab into place, and then I'm getting the subsequent tabs to catch. Then I'm going to come over here to this side and do the same thing. Okay, and then I'm going to put glue on both sides at the same time. And then lay it down and press down the tabs. So the nice thing about these little baskets is they are very quick to put together. The lamb also has little cheeks, so we just want to put those on. And then I do want to pop up my bow. And again, I'm just doing it on the bottom half of the bow because some of it's going to be hanging off. So there is our lamb Easter basket. Thank you for joining me.